It's the 1850s. The United States is facing a massive existential crisis, but it has nothing to do with war. It's the dirt. Decades of relentless farming have stripped the East Coast barren. American agriculture is on the brink of total collapse. There is only one known cure to revive the soil: guano. Seabird droppings, packed with nitrogen. But there's a major geopolitical problem. The British Empire holds a virtual monopoly on the world's best guano trade out of Peru, driving prices to extortionate, bankrupting heights. Washington realizes that whoever controls the fertilizer controls the future of the nation. So, in 1856, Congress quietly passes one of the strangest laws in American history, the Guano Islands Act. The law was breathtaking. It stated that any U.S. citizen who discovered an uninhabited island covered in bird droppings anywhere in the world could claim it as U.S. territory, and the military would back them up. Suddenly, American ship captains turned into amateur imperialists. A bizarre land grab swept across the Pacific and the Caribbean. Miners endured brutal, scorching conditions on desolate rocks just to send this white gold back to Baltimore and New York. The gamble worked. The miracle dirt revived American farms and broke the British monopoly entirely. But the real geopolitical legacy outlasted the fertilizer. Before 1856, the U.S. had never claimed territory outside North America. The Guano Islands Act was the accidental birth of the American overseas empire. Decades later, long after the guano was gone, those exact same desolate rocks became vital strategic military outposts during World War II. Among the islands claimed under this obscure bird poop law? What's your opinion? Tell me in the comments.